Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. In today's video guys, I have unboxing for you guys. It's been a while I didn't have unboxing because I'm too busy guys. Because I don't know if we are moving back to the States or staying here in the UK. So we try our best that we can apply a visa here in England. So that's why I don't have time to film or editing some of my videos. So yeah, and we went yesterday to pick up my items that I've been repaired guys. So I want to talk about that in my other video. But for now, let's do unbox this item. So at first I pick up like in the Hermes store. Unfortunately, I don't have any item that I bring in Hermes because as usual, every time I ask something that I like, is nothing available there in store. And also I went to Chanel. I seen the one, I asked the one I like as well, but nothing. But I said to myself, I don't want to ending up not bringing anything because you know it's like almost 2 hours driving in there, so I might as well get something even though it's small little goods. So here it is guys, it is small, and finally I own this color. Everybody love this color. And so yeah, if you want to interested what it is, probably for sure people know what it is because it is beautiful color guys. Oh weird, let me put this Camilla in here because so there she is. So the Manchester, I always talk about that. There's a lot again. That was Monday guys when I went there. So I thought Monday is so quiet, but I guess it's not. And my SA told me they were crazy, they were busy the whole day. So I was lucky that I have you know, time that I met my SA again before I going back. So first when I'm queuing the line in there guys, I was served by the different SA, and she was kind of rude. I to be honest with you guys, some uh, sales associate or sales SA in Chanel is some are there are very rude. So even though you ask if you have this and they don't show you something like, oh, I want to see smaller goods, pouches, card holder or something like that, and he said asking me what particular I like because at least I can you know, see at the back. And I said like that, but I just want to see it. Said, oh no, because we are so busy, blah blah blah. I said, oh my god, really? So I waited my SA so until she came up, and then she's done with the other serving with the other customers. So I'm glad that she is free and she's serving me, and she offered me this one guys. So as usual, put over here. So yeah, I always read a comment about in Selfridges, Manchester, Chanel customer service. It's like some of them are really rude. I believe it is true. So yeah, let's unbox now guys. Of course, another card holder again. As you can see, the small little goods. Booklet. There she is guys, my new baby. And the color that I want so badly when this one it came out is this. Ta-da! Another Chanel 19 card holder. Oh my god, this is the caramel color. Oh, I'm very lucky that she is asking me an offer. Actually, I seen the other one, not the caramel, the lightest one, like a beige. And also a different card holder. They have a zip coin as well, and 3 card holder in the back. And also they have another like it's a nice card holder, but I'm looking for this caramel one, and the other one is just beige. And like, oh my god, I'm debating which one should I get, but the price are different for the other one and for this one. So yeah, look how beautiful it is guys. Oh my god, I saw another wallet on chain, Chanel 19, but in gray color, but in lambskin. You know, I don't like lambskin anymore. So let's see guys at what year it is. Oh, they don't include the, strange, they didn't include the, oh, okay. I'm not sure, guys, because I don't see, oh, this is the, I think this is a chip or no, because I don't see any like the authenticity card. So I'm not sure is this one is also the what you call the one, a microchip now. So yeah, I'm gonna ask my SA about this, that there's no authenticity card for this. And this one, guys, is made in Italy. I don't know if you can see. So yeah, I don't know what year they made it. Is this, she said this is from the this summer. So I'm not sure, guys, because when I touch in here, I feel like it has a, it's like a microchip in there. And then the code is over here. Where is the CC is, see that there's a code over here. So like I said, they have a chip in there, but yeah, it's different now. Maybe that's why they don't have a authenticity card for this. So yeah, this is really cute. I want to compare this for my other Chanel 19 card holder, and this is, by the way, the goat skin, and I prefer the goat skin than the lamb skin because it doesn't delicate as a lambskin. That's the lambskin there, that my mini flap. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's it for my unboxing today. I hope you like this kind of video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment below section, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.